Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Johnsonville presentation. We are Team Press. We love partnering with Johnsonville. They are such an iconic American brand. Working with them was amazing, not only because we got free sausage, but also we deliver on the challenge. But what's the problem with Johnsonville? Look at the yellow tray, all wrapped in plastic and a sticker at the on top. Johnsonville produces 250 million styrofoam trays per year. This is awful, and we are here to change it. The tray is made from styrofoam, which is hard to recycle and can release toxic chemicals to the food when heated. PVC has many associated health risks and environmental concerns, and the label sticker is just another piece of material that produces more waste.
Our original challenge was to reduce the amount of overwrapping plastic on fresh meat packaging. Through close collaboration with our client, we realized that it would benefit the project to reframe the challenge into identifying compostable materials to simplify packaging disposal, in addition to introducing a redesigned packaging which would reduce overall plastic usage. From our initial research, we found that people are very open to using compostable materials, with 25 out of 61 people mentioning a preference for butcher paper. People were also dissatisfied with the current package because it is not reclosable and not portionable. Finally, consumers would like to know how to properly dispose of their packaging with straightforward labeling.
So after multiple rounds of prototyping, receiving over 50 survey responses, and long hours with the Johnsonville innovation team, we created a phased product timeline. Our vision is to propose solutions that feature different designs and materials that Johnsonville can implement through progressive phases. We plan to evolve the current packaging in 3 stages, rolling out over the next couple of years. With our first design, we have achieved to eliminate plastic completely from the packaging, change from styrofoam to wood pulp, use one single layer of material as a top seal, and change the end-of-life destination from landfill to compost. And another advantage of the solution is that it could be run on the existing machinery.
The second design is a further development of phase 1. Again, we're eliminating all plastic here and using one lid stock film as a top seal. Another big advantage of this is the portionability of the packaging, which helps in home fridge storage and potentially reducing food waste in the long run. The tray is made from food waste and contributes to the idea of a circular packaging solution. Our third idea is drastically improving the overall user experience. There is a big consumer demand for reclosability and home fridge stackability, for which consumers are also willing to pay a premium for. This design has a big potential of improving the supply chain aspects through more durable concept, so shipping will result in less damaged product. The trade-off for our client is that they have to invest in new machinery and materials. But as recycled cardboard is relatively inexpensive, the overall pricing will go down in the long run.
We now like to compare our designs side by side. Ease of implementation, as we've introduced before, will fit well with the timeline, with design 1 being the easiest to implement and 3 being the hardest. We predict that design 1 and 3 can have similar production speeds to the current production line, and design 2 with the additional portion step to be slower overall on the production line. Design 3 will be the most expensive at the start, but such costs will also decrease over time as recycled cardboard and paper are one of the cheapest materials. We envision design 2 and 3 to have the lowest carbon impact, as design 2 will be using food waste for the tray, and design 3 will use 100% recycled materials. We are able to transform end-of-life disposal to compost for all of our proposed packaging designs and use 0% plastic compared to the current design. And lastly, we would just like to declare that we've done our job and we've successfully deplastified Johnsonville.